Okay, welcome. Today, I'm giving you a grand tour of the new truck camper, temporarily, because we got a birthday party. Specifically, my birthday party tomorrow. My birthday was Monday, the 23rd of May. So, yeah. And here's the grand tour. So, it's the Dirty Dodge. We have decorated the inside. What? You're probably wondering, why is the tarp bulged up out there? Right there? You're going to find out here in a little bit. So, here's the outside. You know, just basic. The front's pretty much normal. There's nothing different about it at all. Axel. Hey, Bubba. But anyway, here's the grand tour. Stay back. Hey! Oh, farm truck hat. What happened to you? No. But we got the hammock right here. We gotta clean her out. But, oh, it's wet. Oh, damn. But anyway, so here's basically, the cab. Hold on. So we have 3 people staying. A, Evan. B, my cousin Kason. And C, me. So, yeah. I'll be right here. Evan will be right here. Yes, that's a life jacket. I cannot swim. Funny fact about me. So, yeah. But here's the grand tour of the back. So, it's pretty much normal. We gotta clean this thing out. But don't mind the Ferrari steering wheel. Just ignore that. Oh, come on. And then you open the back window. You see this beautiful carpet and this dog loo. And this will be my cousin Kason's bedroom because he is the skinniest out of all of us. Out of all of us. And Evan gets the biggest one because he's the fattest. So, yeah. And, oh my Lord. Scoot back without moving the carpet, please. So, anyway, it's a lot different. So here's a grand tour. You see this carpet? Honestly, it doesn't look as good as I expected it to turn out. But hey, whatever floats the boat. So we got our cargo lamp. That'll be his lighting. We'll probably put some back there so it's not sagging down a lot. And then here, just so you know, Kason, if you're watching, well, actually he doesn't have a phone. But anyway, if he watches this in the future, he's just gonna, even though he's camping in this tomorrow. But anyway, just for reference, I'm not little at all. And it takes me a minute to get in here. But once I'm in here, I can comfortably sit up in here. So, Kason, if you're watching this, you'll be comfortable. You're tinier than me. Tinier than I am. But anyway, now grand tour of the soon-to-be kitchenette/living room. First, we gotta make our way out of this hut. My freaking camera stopped. Why? I don't know. Whoa. My camera's being all glitchy. Sorry, guys. You won't see anything for the next 45 seconds, or I don't even know how long. But, come on, fat Daddy. I wish I was skinnier. I shouldn't have ate those Oreos. But anyway, this would probably be more comfortable because it's all got carpet in it. And then, I mean, you got a freaking tarp right above you, probably gonna suffocate you. But, and then you make your way behind the shack. And here you see the rear end of the shack, where either Cason's head will be. By the way, that's my cousin's name, Cason. But anyway, that's where either his head will be, or will hit where his feet will be. So yeah, or maybe where his back will be, because he might be sitting up in there. So yeah, and I'm stuck. And you got a little lighting during the day. Can you actually see stuff? No, I don't think so. But it should be waterproof. At least I hope it is. I think I hear the dog outside. But anyway, maybe we'll put something up here, like a rod, so it's not like sagging on top of you. Freaking swaying the whole truck. And that could be the come on. I was gonna say this could be a hallway, but that's a little small. Maybe we'll, oh dear. Scoot that over, scoot her back a little bit so that Evan can get in here. Which he says he can't get in here, but I'm like barely smaller than he is. And I can get in here just fine. Actually, you watched how it was earlier. So, I mean, yeah. And we'll probably clean this window so he can see in. And yeah. So we'll scoot this back, make it perfect. Oh dear, I just about fell. And then you just crawl your way back into the cab, where it is very soundproof. Unlike the back, where it freaking echoes everywhere. I ain't gonna lay on that just yet, because it's kind of wet. Hey, Rhyme. Because it rained in here all flippin' day. So, not in the cab, but like rained on this, and somehow the water, that's wet too. Is that wet too? Not really. All right. But anyway, somehow that got wet. And yeah, so we're gonna clean this out. I have a brand new truck camper by the time we're done, hopefully. And then yeah, that's the grand tour of the new Dirty Dodge truck camper. Hi, Axel. And Axel probably won't be sleeping with us because he's a little large and we only got seating for, well, we could probably sleep like 5 people in here-ish if we scoot that little house around. So yeah, I'm gonna wash these windows, get her all ready for tomorrow night and tomorrow, and yeah, we'll end this video. And we'll probably have to get the mirrors working, or like just clean them off, because I will not, if I look back, the only thing I'll ever see will be a doghouse and a room. So yeah, Axel, what are you sniffing? Axel. And shut up. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, because we need support on this channel. I mean, I'll get maybe 0 views minimum, obviously, because that's the minimum you can get. You can't shut up. What am I saying? But anyway, you can't get minus numbers of views. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will air the tires up so that it's not squatted. And I'll see y'all in the next video, which will be tomorrow. So yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.